Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to look pretty on Roblox without Robux. So you go to catalog and I know this is weird, but go to clothing, go to shirts. I wanna buy these, but what is this? That's expensive. Like a lot of them are expensive except this one. And you wanna click free, the free ones, and you wanna click on the blue and black. So I'm gonna give you a link to this. I'm gonna give you guys a link so that you can get this. Yes. And you wanna also get some shirts, pants that are free. But I'm recommending you guys buy the beautiful Eugenes, and I'm also gonna put it on the link on the description so that you guys can copy this and can get this. And after that, what you wanna do, you wanna go to Google and search for what logo you want, Adidas, Nike, or something. I wanna do Adidas. Oh, sorry. Okay, so here, what you wanna do, you wanna go to pages or like images, and find one that you are looking for. So apparently to me this is gonna take a while, cause I love Adidas. You can get this one. So, or maybe I should put this link over here. Oh, I'm sorry. Or maybe I'm gonna give you guys this page maybe later. So you wanna click save image as, just right click save image as, click save. And after you do that, you wanna go back to Roblox, go to avatar, okay, so this is my default avatar, but I'm gonna show you how to look pretty without Robux, okay? So you need the black ponytail. I already have the Adidas, but I'm gonna do with another Adidas for this tutorial. You wanna put this shirt on and the beautiful Eugenes. After you do that, you wanna go to clothing, click t-shirts, then you wanna click create, and it's going to develop. Right now develop is removed, there's only create, and click choose file. You wanna go to here, and I'm gonna name it Adidas. Click open. Okay, I'm sorry. Click open. T-shirt name, no. Wait, the t-shirt name will be Adidas. Okay, click upload, and it should upload your t-shirt, and right there, it's over there. So now you want to go back back to avatar, and you wanna go to let's see, there. Wait. Let's see if it works. So it did not work, so you might need this image. So maybe you'll now need the image that is right here. So I'm recommending 960 by 960 because this was not working. Like, look at that. It's showing the real dress. So yeah, that is all for this video. So thank you for watching. If you guys watch this, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave a comment, and what another tutorial should I do for you guys. And yeah, bye.